In this video we will be linking two computers. One computer will be running as the event till. The event till will import images from the camera and also process orders from the viewing station. The viewing station will be used by your customers to view pictures that have been captured by you and to place an order for photos. Okay, so on both machines we are going to click on Sync Settings. First of all, we need to tell the computer where we want Imaculum to be running from. So I'm going to click on Setup Sync. On this machine, I'm going to navigate to my Pictures folder. Click OK. That sets the sync up on this machine. It's put the folder location just up here. On this other computer, I'm going to click Setup Sync again, and on this computer, I'm just going to put it onto my desktop. There we go. So it's doing the same, and here we go. It's telling me the folder location for this folder. So that you can, most of the time, I would suggest putting them into the same place on each computer so that you know you get into a routine of where to find it on each computer. That's definitely the better option in my opinion. I'm just doing it on two different locations to show that it doesn't need to be the same location on each computer. Also on the side here you've got client server mode and network mode. These are of interest. It's set to client server mode by default, generally because this tends to be the option that most people prefer to use. Client server mode means you import your pictures onto one computer, and you would import them onto the computer running the event till, and then only the low-res thumbnails are sent over to the viewing screens, the computers running the viewing stations. In network mode, any computer can receive the high-resolution files, but only the machine running the event till actually does the processing work. But it does mean that the high resolution files are saved to every single computer. This means that the data takes longer to sync forwards and backwards because you've got high resolution files taking up the bandwidth, as well as the thumbnails coming back from the event till back to the viewing screens. The options are there for both depending on your needs, but in general, client server mode is the most useful for most people. Right, okay, now that we've selected a folder location for the Imaculum working folder, we're going to click Find Computers on both machines. So click it on that one, and now I'll click it on this one. And now we just wait. If you're connecting more than two computers, you would do the same. You would set the folder location for the Imaculum folder first on each computer, and then once you've done that on all the machines, you click Find Computers in quick succession on all of your computers. When syncing your computers together, the one criteria for them to find each other is that they must be connected to the same network, so all to the same Ethernet hub or router, or to the same Wi-Fi network. If you wish to check the status of your connection, then this pops up the first time you run it. I just tend to say no. Then click Diagnostics. This brings you into this view. You will get this message appear. Access is denied, failed to update. This does not matter, and it does, just ignore it basically. It's because this computer is online, it's seen that there's a newer version of SyncThing available. Don't update SyncThing. We update the version of SyncThing shipped with Imaculum when we update Imaculum. The reason being that it doesn't update automatically is because if you update it and something within SyncThing has changed, but we haven't updated it in Imaculum, then the integration can be broken and you end up with files not syncing. So only use the version of SyncThing that is released with Imaculum. Okay, we're now going to scroll down. These are the folders on this computer. You can see that they're all up to date. Each machine has a machine ID in the top left. So it's a mixture of letters and numbers. It's a unique code. And this machine here is our other machine. I also have another computer running, but as you can see, it's not connected for this demonstration. So if I go to the other screen, we're looking for ZXH. There we go. This is ZXH in the top left corner, and this one is IMY there, and we'll see that IMY is at the top left of this corner. Okay, that's our computers connected. End of this tutorial.